Okay, this is part two of our unit test 4B. Okay, this is part two. We're going to do the short answer and the open response during this part. All right, so this is part two. You have completed the multiple choice, and we're going to start with this now. Okay, so number 18, short answer. Make sure you show your work. All right, convert the following equation into standard form. And I made sure to put our standard form formula here, ax plus by equals c. You can also find this same standard form formula on your ACT Quality Core little cheat sheet or reference sheet, but I went ahead and put it on here. So here's your form. Here's what you're doing right here. You got y equals 2/3 x minus 7/3. All right, and we need to convert this into this form right here. Okay. Convert this into this form. Okay. Number 19. Convert the following equation into slope-intercept form. All right, so you got 3x minus 5y equals 10. And here is slope-intercept form right here. So you need to get this y by itself. So in other words, you need to solve for y. But you need to convert this formula into this right here. Okay? Those are your two short answers. If you got questions on those, make sure you raise your hand. Now let's look at our open response. We really need to show your work on this, okay? Number 20. Henry has been raking leaves to earn community service hours for the Beta Club. The table shows the number of bags Henry had filled after each hour. So here you go. You got time in hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's each hour. And then you got bags filled. In 1 hour, he filled 3 bags. In 2 hours, he filled 4, and then so on. Okay, you can read that chart. Part A wants you to create a scatter plot and use the following graph parameters. This is very, very important here, okay? So the time in hours, your lower bound is 0, and your upper bound is 10, and your interval is 1. So you're going to start at 0, go to 10, and count by ones, okay? And this is time, and you know, time is usually on the x-axis, okay? Bags filled. Lower bound is 0, upper bound is 20, and you're counting by 2s, just your interval. So start at 0, go up to 20, count by 2s. Very, very important. And then once you get your scatter plot here with these parameters, you're going to plot these ordered pair. Okay? Part B wants you to draw an appropriate line of best fit. Okay? So now once you get your data on the graph, you're going to draw a best fit line. Okay? Now, after you've done part A and part B, you're going to write an equation of the line of best fit. Use the ordered pairs 2, 4, and 6, 15 to write the equation. Show all steps necessary. What I suggest you do is find the slope of these 2 points. Okay? And then find the y-intercept after you find that slope from the points on your line. If you have a question about this, raise your hand. I'll come explain it to you a little bit more in depth. But if you can find the slope and the y-intercept, you can write the equation, okay? Because your equation needs to be in slope-intercept form anyhow. And then letter D, you're going to use the equation of the line of best fit, which is what you just found in part C, to predict the number of bags filled after 7 hours. Show all steps necessary and state the answer in a complete sentence. You're going to write your answer in a complete sentence, okay? Let me highlight that so you'll understand that your answer needs to be in a complete sentence, okay? That's very, very, very important. And again, if you got questions, raise your hand and I'll come by and see if I can't clarify a few things, okay? But I've tried to hint at some things for you to kind of trigger your memory so you can remember how to do these things, okay? Best of luck. Thank you.